What is good, PB Nose Gang family? Today we're gonna be reacting to fucking 14K pair of jeans. We already know this shit's gonna be ass, so let's give that fat thumbs down. Look at all these dick riders. Hell no. Pokemon noise. Alright, okay, don't, what the fuck is that? Already can tell that shit is ass because like his voice. You said what?
Don't worry about it.
Okay.
He looks like my cousin.
He looks like a retard. With them tracer rounds. He sounds like he's taking it up the ass while he's like singing, bro.
Real shit, bro.
Yeah, I cannot. Yeah, we're not gonna react to this all. Thanks for watching this 1 minute 30 video. Wait, bye.